Is the Puriproduce fruit cleaner a scam, or is it actually worth your money? If you've been bombarded with ads for this gadget promising to zap away pesticides and bacteria from your fruit, you're not alone. Today, I'm diving into the facts to help you decide if Puriproduce lives up to the hype, or if you're better off sticking with good old tap water. First off, let's talk legitimacy. You can find Puriproduce on big-name sites like Amazon and eBay, usually with 4-star ratings and a bunch of repeat buyers. That's a decent sign, it's not an outright scam. Most buyers are happy just seeing cloudy water after use, but some aren't so thrilled. There are complaints about devices breaking after a few uses or not charging right. Build quality, honestly, feels a bit hit or miss. Now, the tech. Puriproduce uses OH ion purification. You drop it in water with a little salt, and it creates a natural disinfectant. Think sodium hydroxide and chlorine. The goal? Break down pesticides and kill bacteria like E. coli. It's waterproof and wireless, so you don't have to stress about dropping it in the sink. But does it actually work? Here's where things get interesting. The company claims it removes up to 99% of pesticides and bacteria. But experts, including folks at the FDA and CDC, don't officially recommend gadgets like this. They say rinsing your produce under running water does the trick just as well. Some scientists even argue that these devices might not deliver enough cleaning power to really make a difference. So, what's the verdict? If you love having a dedicated gadget and want that extra peace of mind, Puriproduce is a legit buy. Just keep your expectations realistic. But if you're looking for a truly science-backed upgrade over tap water, you might want to save your cash.